Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Sephora haul for you. I got the majority of this during the Friends and Family sale, which was, I think it's been about a month now. And then I picked up a few things during their very recent Labor Day sale. I don't know if they called it a Labor Day sale. Anyway, I got a bunch of stuff. Some of these items I've already been using for a few weeks, so I'll give you my opinion on them. Yeah, let's just get into it. So the first thing is what I'm wearing on my lips today. The Rare Beauty lip liner in Wise, and then I have the Summer Friday lip butter balm in Vanilla Beige. This I've already had. I love this combo so much that I picked up the lip liner in another color, and then I got two more shades of the Summer Friday lip butter balm. So I got the pink sugar. This smells so good. It smells like frosting, and it's a light-ish pinky shade. I mean, it comes off pretty nude on my lips. And then I also got the darker brown sugar shade. I think this color looks so pretty on my complexion. I'm pretty tan, but here it is open up. So you squeeze it through there. And it just gives a nice tint. And that's so pretty. I just love this. I love these Summer Fridays lip butter balms so much that I already ordered the vanilla shade, which is like a lighter, it's kind of like a mix between the pink sugar and vanilla beige, and then poppy. And then I'm about to order the cherry color. The cherry color is sold out at Sephora, so I'm going to have to go to the Summer Fridays website, but it's so good. These are my favorite lip products, are just tinted lip balms, tinted lip glosses, and it smells so good. Sticking with nudes, I got the new Natasha Denona I Need a Nude eyeshadow palette. Generally, I've been pretty good about not getting every single eyeshadow palette that comes out because I've been wearing pretty much a neutral eye, and just in general, not so much, like, not heavy eye makeup. I used to wear pretty bold, dramatic eye makeup, especially when I was working. But anyway, I love this one. This is the new nude palette. I love her eyeshadow formula, and I think the colors are so perfect. When I first saw sneak peeks of this, I thought the colors would be a little too light for me, but they actually work. I'm wearing it today on my eyes, but you know, not much. The color is kind of getting washed out in my lighting right now, but this is pretty dark, so I can get a variety of looks here. For blush, I got the Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in the shade She's That Girl. I'm wearing it on my cheeks right now. I'm not wearing a lot, but I love this formula because it is a cream and powder, and I typically start with a cream or liquid blush first, and then I'll top it with a powder shade. So I really like this formula. I already ordered this palette in another color, Flush, but I like this She's That Girl. It's a nice rosy pink, but like a deeper rose. All right, I had to interrupt with a brand new Dior Beauty haul, and this is a big one. So I ordered from the new Miss Dior Blooming Boudoir collection. This is the Dior Show 10 Colors eyeshadow palette, and this is the beautiful floral packaging. This reminds me of the Millefiori collection from last year, but it's a lot more colorful. It has this very pretty floral design on this canvas packaging out here, and then when you open it up, the colors are a lot brighter than last year, and they're just so pretty. I love that you can also use this as a face palette. This can be a highlighter on your cheeks, and then this can be like a really pretty blush. I'll just swatch it right here. So you have a very pretty, kind of like a subtle shimmery highlight, and then a blush, and then just the rest of the shades. It's a nice range of lighter colors. You have this dark purple to smoke it out if you want, but it's just so pretty. So I had to get the eyeshadow palette, and then I also got the matching Dior Forever cushion powder in the same Blooming Boudoir limited edition. So this is like a very translucent loose setting powder. You have this very soft applicator sponge, and this opens up. So when you open this up, they have a sticker to protect it, and inside you have the setting powder with this kind of like a mesh netting, but the powder is very light. It's lavender, but when you put it on, it's a setting powder, so it's very translucent, it's very weightless, and it just kind of takes away the shine. It smells like lavender too. Am I just imagining things? It smells so good. So this is such a pretty compact to carry around in your purse. So I got the matching set here. Dior also came out with a new Backstage eye palette. They have a couple new Dior Backstage eyeshadow palettes also. I love these eyeshadow palettes. This one is in the Copper Essentials, and this is it right here. You have a very pretty gold shimmery color. Nice mix of shimmers and mattes. Really pretty bronzy colors for the fall. I like that. This is a nice shimmery gold. This is a nice kind of like a all over the lid color. Very nice neutral. This dark brown you can use on your brows or just to smoke out your eyeshadow or use as an eyeliner. So very pretty copper essentials. And then I had to get the new J'adore L'Or Essence de Parfum. This is the newest flanker from J'adore. I love the J'adore perfumes. This is my new favorite of the J'adore flankers. I really liked the J'adore Doe from earlier this year, I believe. It's the one in the white bottle. But this new one is so sweet. It's just like this sweet nectar. You can see it's a little different. It's the same color juice, but the neck of this is a solid gold metal versus the rings like from the original. And it just is so pretty and sweet. I think compared to the J'adore Doe or the J'adore Eau de Toilette, this J'adore L'Or is more of a nighttime fragrance. It's like very seductive, very sweet. It's a lot more intense. It's just my favorite. This is my new favorite of the J'adore flankers. Now, my favorite thing from this latest Dior Beauty haul is the gift that I got. Because I purchased the J'adore L'Or and the new Blooming Boudoir collection, these purchases bumped up my status to the gold status of the My Dior Beauty, my exclusive loyalty program. And the gold welcome gift was this little advent calendar. I say advent calendar, but technically it's called the Montaigne Coffret. And I did like a full unboxing reel, but I'll show you real quick. This was my gift. So I became eligible to redeem this gift with this last purchase. And so in order for it to add to my cart, I just placed a second order. And all I bought was this $15 applicator, like powder puff duo. So with this purchase of $15, I was able to get this coffret. So it looks like the mini advent calendars from previous years. But then when you open the little doors, each door has a total of 4 different J'adore flankers. So now I have all the little flankers. That's the new J'adore Doe. They don't have the brand new Dior L'Or because that one just came out, but I love the whole collection. It's such a great gift. They do such a great job with their My Exclusive loyalty program. So make sure you sign up for it and make sure you log into your account. And then for September, I have some brand new Dior codes for you. So if you use the code MAGIC23 with a purchase of $125 or more, you'll receive a complimentary gift with any beauty purchase. The gift I got with this order, by the way, was this really pretty Miss Dior like netting mesh pouch. And this is really big. Like, look how big. It's bigger than both my hands, okay? This is a big cosmetic pouch. So I got this, I got some samples. You know, you always get the little gift pouch. Oh, and then also this was the other gift. Again, to celebrate the Miss Dior Boudoir. So it's a little mini hat box in the same Blooming Boudoir design. And then inside you have the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet Mini. I love their packaging. I love the design. Very cohesive collection from the new Blooming Boudoir collection. So again, use the code MAGIC23 with any $125 purchase. And then I've definitely shown this on my channel before, and I love the nail polishes that come in this set. This is the Dior Riviera Coffret. It comes with an eyeshadow palette. It comes with all these nail polishes. If you purchase this Dior Riviera Coffret, they have a promo Riviera 23 where you get an additional bonus compact mirror, and it's so cute. With every Dior Beauty purchase, you receive 2 complimentary samples of your choice. With mine, I got this Dior canvas pouch, and then I picked out these 2 samples. This is a sample of the Dior hand balm, and then the new J'adore L'Or, like for travel. If you spend over $100, you also get to pick a deluxe mini of your choice, including like a deluxe fragrance mini, just like this. Dior Beauty members also receive complimentary shipping on all orders. You can get complimentary gift wrapping. I love shopping from Dior Beauty and taking advantage of the gifts from the Dior Beauty My Exclusive loyalty program. Again, this is the gift for reaching gold status. And then just continuing with the rest of my Sephora haul, I got the new Sephora Favorites perfume sampler. I love these sets because you get to try out all these fragrances shown here. And then inside you get a certificate that you can redeem for a full size. So you get this little card here, and it tells you all the different fragrances. It tells you the notes of each one. You can write your own notes and your thoughts. And then you get a scent certificate, and you use this to redeem for a full size. So you get to keep the perfume samples. And I went ahead and redeemed mine already, and I got the new replica On a Date, which I love replica fragrances. My favorite is Beach Walk, but this is the new On a Date. It tells you the notes are grapes and roses, so very fruity floral. A bunch of their holiday sets are out, including the new holiday lip kit. I haven't opened this up yet, but I like that it comes with a reusable little cosmetic traveling pouch that's padded. And inside you get a full-size Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat lip liner. You get a Pat McGrath lipstick, Patrick Ta lip gloss. This is a full-size lip gloss. Huda Beauty lip liner, Rare Beauty, I think that's the lip oil, Glossier lip gloss, and then I think this is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. So these are all very popular products. I know I'll use all of them because I love all of them. And then you get this little extra pouch, which I probably will regift, but yeah, these are a great value. $45, you get a value of $127 value. It's pretty good deal. I'm traveling soon, so I went ahead and re-upped on this travel duo. This is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. This is my favorite face cream, and then I love their rice wash. I already put it in my makeup travel bag. This is the Dewy Skin Cream, and then you also get the rice wash, which is a very like fine exfoliant. So it's not super abrasive, but you can really feel it scrubbing away at your skin. So I just love this set. $27, you get the Dewy Skin Cream and then the rice wash. I also love to double cleanse, so I got the Pharmacy Melt and Moisturize Mini. This is a travel size of the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm, and then you get the Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I already have the cleansing balm in my travel bag, but then this is the Honey Halo. So a pretty decent size. It's not like a super tiny sample. And then I think this set was $20 or $25 for the travel moisturizer and then the travel cleansing balm. Another little travel set is the Huda Beauty Yum set. This comes with a full-size Queen of Sheba liquid lipstick and then a travel of the Kayali Pistachio Gelato, which I own the full size of this. It's so good. It's so sweet. It's really nice for layering. I'll go ahead and swatch this for you. But this is one of those like my lips but better color, or your lips but better. I love the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick formula because it's not super drying. I don't really like dry lipstick at all, but it's not super matte. And then I like to kind of top it with a lip gloss anyway. And I just love that color. New from Laneige, I got their new lip sleeping mask in this pink lemonade swirl. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to mess it up. It's so cool. You get a little mini lip brush, which I never use, but look how pretty that swirl is. And it smells just like pink lemonade. I love their lip mask. I have these scattered all over my house in the full size, and then I have a bunch of the minis. I got the new Kosas Undressed eyeshadow palette because it's just such a nice neutral eyeshadow palette. Like if I don't want to even think about what I'm putting on my lips, I'll just use this. They're all pretty neutral matte shades, and then you have this one kind of like a golden shimmer, or like more like a champagne shimmer, and then this that you can use on my brows. It's very simple, but these are just the basic colors that you will just go through, and they're just so easy to use. I like their formula. So Kosas Undressed eyeshadow palette. I wasn't going to get this, but when I went in store, I saw it, and I just, again, I'm such a sucker for neutrals because I feel like they are super, like I'm going to use them. I'm going to go through it. So this is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension eyeshadow palette, Major Dimension 3. I already have the first two. The first one is more like browns, bronzes. The second one is more rosy. And this one is just strictly mattes. So it's all matte colors. And then again, he does this great little deal here where you have this plastic cover for the cream products. So you can use these as like a gel eyeliner, or if you really want to do a dramatic look, you can put this all over your eyelid as a base and then work from there and use these colors. These colors just make so much sense. You can use, again, the black and the dark brown to line your eyes. Use this for your brows. It just makes sense. I love the formula also. And then just another skincare essential. This is my favorite serum. This is the Caudalie Vino Perfect. And I just love this. I don't know what it is. It smells so good. It just makes my skin feel so nice. I like the little dropper. I love the formula. I love the scent. It just feels so luxurious. Their stuff is powered by grapes. That's why you'll always see grapes everywhere. Vino Perfect. I use this at night. This is my favorite night serum. And then I had to try the new cleansing balm from Tatcha. This is the Tatcha Indigo Cleansing Balm. It is so good. I hate that I like this because it's kind of pricey. Again, I love the Pharmacy Green Clean. Like this is a very good go-to, but I just had to try this because I love the Indigo serum and the Indigo overnight cream. So I wanted to try this because this is supposed to be very soothing, especially if you're prone to redness or if you have sensitive skin. It's such a nice cleansing balm. When you open it up, I already use it. You have this little scoop. This is what you're supposed to use to scoop out the cleansing balm. But you can see here how like emollient it is. Here, so I'll show you how it works. So you just put that over there, you rub it around, and it just cleanses all the makeup off your face. You don't have to rub your skin, you know, especially with like eye makeup. you don't want to be using like harsh eye makeup removers. So I love to use a cleansing balm around that, and then you rinse it off and then you double cleanse with another cleanser. So, okay, here's a paper towel. So just to show you, once you have all that done, you can wipe it off and your skin is fresh as a daisy. Very nice. And it feels hydrated. I always recommend using a cleansing balm, especially if you wear a full face of makeup or if you have like water resistant eye makeup. It just is a great way to melt the makeup off your face without being so harsh. But I just love this Tatcha Indigo Cleansing Balm. All right, guys, so those are all the recent makeup, skincare, beauty products I picked up recently. Fragrance from Sephora, from Dior. Again, make sure you follow me on my Instagram because anytime there's a new promo for Dior Beauty, they come out with new ones every month and it, you know, kind of changes up. Plus they go really fast. So if you're looking out for the next beauty gift, make sure you turn on notifications. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my chaotic little Sephora and Dior Beauty haul. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.